Welcome back to day 17. Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series. Want to pause the action and highlight a specific moment in your video. Creating a freeze frame is a powerful effect, and in Final Cut Pro, it only takes one click. Let's learn how. First, move your playhead to the exact frame you want to freeze. You can use the arrow keys to get it perfect. Now, go up to the Edit menu and find Add Freeze Frame. Or, even faster, use the keyboard shortcut option plus F instantly. Final Cut Pro cuts your clip at the playhead and inserts a still image of that frame. By default, it's a few seconds long. This freeze frame acts just like any other clip. You can trim it to make it shorter or longer by dragging its edges. This is a great way to add emphasis, let a title read on screen, or create a cool stylistic effect in your videos. And that's how you freeze time in your edit. But what about the opposite? In our next video, we'll learn how to speed up or slow down your clips for dramatic effect. Like and subscribe so you don't miss day 18.